How to convert Facebook account to business page. If you are wondering how you can turn your personal Facebook account into a business page, you've come to the right place. First thing you need to do is open up your Facebook app. Once you open up the app, make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, simply tap on the top right corner to head over to menu section. Once landed on menu, tap on the profile icon to visit your profile. And if you land on your profile page, as you can see, the profile is completely normal. So if you want to turn this into a business page where you can see all of your posts inside, you can track your profile's growth. So to do that, you need to turn on professional mode. Tap on the three lines right besides edit profile, and then simply tap on turn on professional mode right below the search. And once you have done that, what happens is you'll get paid for your content. You can see content insight and learn more about your audience and see how well your content is performing. You can also grow your audience and be discovered with tagging. Click on this turn on option, and then you will have to quickly cover the basics. So keep tapping next and choose your default audience, then tap on next, then confirm your settings. And now you can go ahead and check about your monetization tools as well. Keep tapping next. And if you want, you could also add a profile frame indicating that your account is professional. I'm just going to skip this for now. And then you can go to professional dashboard. So that's how you turn your Facebook account into a business page. Now, if I refresh my profile, I'm going to be able to see all of my insights, content, engagement, and monetization. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.